Hi, my name's Dave Farrell. I own a company called Catherine Developments Limited, which I have done for over 30 years. Roughly about 10 years ago, I saw an advertisement in the Professional Builder magazine for a new machine, an Arbotech, an AS160. I loved the machine straight away, just from the literature. Saw the demo, purchased one. Absolutely fabulous machine. It was that good, I was that impressed. Later that year, well, within 12 months, I bought 3 more. I've never had a problem with machines. Absolutely. We do work for CADU. We would do work for English Heritage and associated large companies who do historical and preservation work. This tool is invaluable. At the moment, I'd like to show you a demo of one at the moment, but they're all out. We have no time to stop with these machines. For repointing, for pulling damaged brickwork out, for chasing, for everything. It's just an amazing machine. How simple fact of the dust. Using a grinder, dust everywhere. AS160, AS170 now, absolutely perfect for dust to fall to the floor, or dust extraction attached to either a hoover or, as we use, a dust extraction system. The work we do is the tool is so invaluable, I could not stress. If you're thinking of buying one, just buy one. I spent £1,000 just on one simple advert. I read it, I loved it. It did exactly what it said it could. And now they brought out the 170. Well, it's a whole new world. You've got the wood cutting blades, the extra large blades. They're fantastic. They come in handy. Everything about it is fantastic. If you're thinking about it, stop thinking, just do it. I couldn't do without them. Maybe this year I'll treat myself to another one. And just keep that just for me and not just for my sons to use. I would just like to say before I go, the weight of it, the packaging, the backup. I had an issue with one. I forgot that. I phoned the rep came round, he took it away, he had it for just over 2 weeks, he brought it back, he found that it was in perfect working order. It was obviously just me thinking maybe something. 10 years, not a problem with 4 machines. You don't get that anywhere. Absolutely. Arbotech, 10 out of 10.